तो भाई ये देखो वॉक में छाला पड़ गया है पैरों में। Okay, thank you Tenzing. Thank you for dropping us. This is our breakfast for today. Bread and butter. It's so cold. Do we have to warm this up? Hello. We have map of Ladakh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Fine. Watch your head.
Yes. Thank you. These are the vessels here. Brass. Copper. Wow. Are they silver?
Yes, it is sterling silver. It's the alloy of copper and silver.
Oh, the copper and silver. Got it.
And we also have a few mountains, not so big like this, of course. We also have snow in winter. With a surfing.
Guy dropped
Yeah,
us.
but it's like.
He's local. He knows it.
Okay, Tenzing.
Okay, thank you Tenzing. Thank you for dropping us.
Have a
Thank you
safe
very
road
much.
back home, okay? Drive carefully.
What a lovely guy. Thank you. Bye. What a lovely guy.
Yeah.
We got 85 kilometers of left, technically. And we are back to our campsite. Rizangla camp. And look, who do we have here? तो भाई ये देखो वॉक में छाला पड़ गया है पैरों में. Can you see this? So I have to open it up. Okay, good morning. So this is next day and we stayed in a tent area. So if you see it, yeah, it's all tent. वेदर रात को बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा था, लेकिन आज सुबह जैसे ही सूर्यदेव निकले हैं ना, तो क्या खूबसूरत मौसम बन गया यार. मतलब आई एम रियली थैंकफुल कि मैं इस ट्रिप पे आया, इधर पे आ पाया, वरना मैं कम्प्लीटली अवॉइड कर रहा था. और अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि मेरे हिसाब से मेरे बजट में हो गया, सस्ते में हो गया. जो बस का ट्रैवल था करीबन 200 रुपये में, उसके बाद हम लोग हिचहाइक करके आए, तो पैसे सही बच गए. क्योंकि अगर मैं बाइक से भी आता कम से मेरा 1500 के आसपास का फ्यूल लग जाता था. और अब नाश्ते का टाइम हो गया, तो भोजन करने जाना पड़ेगा, समझ रहे हो. बाकी तुम लोगों ने अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इफ़ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, प्लीज़ हिट द सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन एंड हिट द बेल आइकन एंड कीप वॉचिंग यार, कीप वॉचिंग. ऑल इज वेल. ओके, चलो, I'll see you later. One more thing, look what I have found. Soumya, देख मेरे को ये यहाँ मिला, शायद कोई बाइकर था वो भूल के चला गया, तो आई थिंक आई कैन यूज़ दिस इज़ द स्मॉलर वन जो मैं गोप्रो में फिट कर सकता हूँ. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव आवर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लुक एट द वेदर, इट्स सो क्लाउडी. No wonder that why I didn't see the sun early. Wow, look, there's the sun. It's a bit open. I think it's snowing again or what? Possible. And we are going to have breakfast and I don't see anyone in the kitchen. What do we do? Should I knock the door? I thought the breakfast would be ready at that time. And there's no one. Let me see, let me figure out where this another person is. Sunny God. But कुछ व्यू ऐसा सा है यहाँ से. ये हैं कैंप्स और हमारा कैंप. And I have to find out Sunny. Sunny? Okay. So we have to wait for 5 minutes and the breakfast would be here. He's walking towards us. I'm trying to prepare breakfast for us. What accent is this? Tell me.
I don't know. Indian.
No, this is not Indian accent. This is for sure.
What is it?
Monsieur. Spanish.
Spanish?
Oh,
Is it?
yeah. I'm trying to do something. Let me do it.
I'm not sure if it is Spanish, but
Yeah.
Spanish are not very good with languages.
Yeah, I am sure.
Yeah, they're not.
Because I think any country where people are more when their language is being spoken in many continent or countries, they are very sort of
It has
not
to
so
do with
great.
that.
I mean, it's like English people also. You see, there won't be many English people, Britishers, who will speak different languages.
Because they don't need to.
Correct.
everybody speaks in English?
No. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So similar goes for Spanish also. So because most of the places they travel, a lot of people speak Spanish towards South America or whatever.
Yeah, but Spanish
Because
is
after
good.
English, Spanish is the most spoken language. I recently got to know. Like not by the people, but more countries. And this recently I got to know, and I was like, because earlier I used to think probably it's English and it should be French. But then I was like, okay, or I was thinking maybe Chinese or whatever because of the big continent. But then recently I got to know it's Spanish. In mostly countries, people
I think
speak
Portuguese
Spanish.
is like the fourth.
Yeah. So probably that's the reason. वो क्या सनी भाई वेदर क्या खतरनाक है यार. बारिश होगा क्या? पता नहीं.
You have jam?
Jam.
Butter.
Butter and
Jam. This is our breakfast for today. Bread and butter. And of course we'll have some jam also. And Sunny Bhai is serving us because we wanted breakfast a little early. Look at the steam, eh? So yeah, बस इसके बाद सीन कुछ ऐसा सा है कि निकला जाएगा यहाँ से और we are hoping that we reach Leh around thank you. Wow. Are you able to put it? I mean like how
Hard हो गया सब.
हाँ मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. It's so cold. Do we have to warm this up? Or just eat it? Let's try putting this. I'm not sure. Wow. I think it should be fine. Once it gets in, it should be. Come on, here. You want me to?
Let me spread it.
No, you won't be able to spread it. Bread will be gone away. Oh, not bad, but it's okay for me. Okay, so we are done with the breakfast. And Sunny Bhai, thank you so much for everything. So this is the place. This is the name, Rizangla Camp. This is how you spell it. So you get in the NUbra Valley and come to these camps. These are beautiful and not too expensive. Like very, very good money and value for money, you know. And the view. These are the camps. Tak, tak, tak. Our camp was there. And meet Sunny. You can meet Sunny. And he'll give you a good price. So that's it. So scene हमारा ये है कि हम यहाँ से निकलेंगे और निकल के हम hitchhike करके ले वापस जाएंगे, पहुँच जाएंगे. आओ, वेदर बहुत मिस्टिकल हो रहा है. कहीं पे बादल हैं, कहीं पे पहाड़ है. मतलब पहाड़ मतलब सूर्य वाले पहाड़ है. सूर्य देवो नमः. I love cows. You know why? You know why do I love cows?
Why?
Because they are exactly like humans.
Are they?
Yeah.
Except they poop a lot.
Huh? No. Well, we poop a lot everywhere.
Not everywhere.
Everywhere. We want toilets everywhere. So that's why. So we can poop, right? Okay. So this is day 3, and we are going to hitchhike. Yesterday we had a good time because we got one lift, and that person dropped us straight to our camp. And we are hoping that we get similar kind of lift today also. What do you think, Sophia? Will be able to?
Well, fingers crossed.
Double fingers crossed.
Yes, toes crossed.
So walk like this. So yeah. So let's see, and let me.